calling.
Hey, what's going on, folks? Let's do this. Hey, it's online business time. If you don't have an online business that's creating passive income and working for you while you're on the gram, while you're on Facebook, while you're on all the social media outlets, you got to click on the link and say, Antonio, I'm ready to get started. I want to see you on the inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DM me right now. Sell you there, baby. Hey.
Hi, I'm Antonio Smith, online entrepreneur, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs like yourself get extraordinary results online, time in and time out. Now is the time for you to get on the online internet and earn income that you deserve. You deserve a business with no inventory, no employees, no wasted time, learning the skill sets you need to build an online business that you can be successful and use only your laptop and your computer and work your business from anywhere around the globe. We've created a free webinar for you to listen to the over 100,000 students from across the country that are having success with our system. All you have to do is click on the link below and you'll get free access to the free webinar that's going to explain everything that you need to know on how you can get your piece of the pie to the online business world. So click on the link below and I look forward to working with you on the inside. See you then.